How's it going? I'm Christian. This is Accumatics, and today we're going to be machining a Delrin subassembly hinge set. Okay, so we just pulled our components out of our mini mill 2 here, and we went ahead and assembled them. So a couple things that we want to touch on here. This is a fully assembled sub-assembly for our hinges. Some cool machining features that we wanted to touch on here. You can see we made some radial cuts here. We went ahead and chamfered those as well so that you have some nice clean edges. We have countersinks and through holes. And then we actually machined this locking mechanism on it too. And that's really cool because once you put these together with force, they're stuck together. They're a full finished assembly that you can send to your customer that way. Now this part is a really good example of some of the really cool features and services that we can provide here. Obviously this was all done on this mini mill 2. We went ahead and installed a 4-axis rotary head in here as well to get this done. And the cool thing about that is that there's 2 collets with it. So basically we're machining this whole thing at once, both the A and the B side at the same time. We then assemble that and it's ready to ship to the customer. It's a really productive and efficient way to make parts for our customer.